Did you know that you can print the ingredients and the recipe from our website? There you can also scale the list of ingredients to the number of servings you like. You may also increase or decrease the chili level to your liking. The link to the web page is in the details below. For your convenience, captions are also available in Urdu. Depending on the device you are using, click on the gear icon or the 3 dots to change the captions. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you scale the recipe for the number of servings or the chilies, please follow those quantities. This recipe is a 2-part recipe. First, we will prepare the egg balls and then we will prepare the curry. Take 4 hard-boiled eggs and slice them into quarters. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Add 1 finely chopped fresh green chili. Add 1 finely chopped spring onion. Add some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. With a fork, mix the spices and mash the eggs finely. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix thoroughly. Wet your hands with a few drops of cooking oil. Make medium-sized balls of the mashed eggs. You will get 8 egg balls. You may choose to divide the mashed eggs in 8 portions before making the balls. Take some corn flour and cover the egg balls in corn flour. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. You will need enough oil to fry the egg balls. Place the egg balls carefully in the oil. Fry the egg balls carefully, tuning over till they are golden brown. Once the egg balls are golden brown, then remove them and put aside. Heat 1/4 cup of cooking oil on medium heat. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry them for a few seconds to get the flavor out. Add 1 medium-sized, finely chopped onion. Stir fry till the onion starts to change color. As the onion starts to change color, add 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry some more till the mixture is golden brown. As the mixture is lightly golden, add paste of 2 medium tomatoes. Stir fry till the water dries and the oil separates. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir to mix well and dry a little. Add 1 cup of water. Stir to mix well. Cover and leave to cook for about 15 minutes on low heat. Stir once midway. Cover and leave to cook for another 7 or 8 minutes. Add the already prepared egg balls to the curry. Stir carefully to mix the curry and the egg balls. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of mixed Indian spice. Garnish with a few coriander leaves. Enjoy with chapati, naan bread, pita bread, or rice.